2025 isn't just another year for investors, it's a turning point. From artificial intelligence transforming finance to inflation, digital currencies, and technological shifts, the smartest investors are already moving their money in completely new ways. If you've ever wondered where to put your money this year, this video will guide you through the smartest, most strategic investments of 2025. Welcome to Hustle Wallet, where we make money simple. Today, we'll explore the best investment opportunities available right now, what's changing in the financial world, and how you can take advantage before it's too late. Chapter 1: The Investing Landscape of 2025. The investment world in 2025 looks very different from just a few years ago. Traditional options like stocks and real estate are still valuable, but the rise of artificial intelligence, automation, and digital ownership has opened up new frontiers. We are now in a world driven by data, algorithms, and innovation. AI isn't just changing how we work, it's changing how we invest. Digital assets are becoming mainstream, and investors are becoming more strategic because of economic uncertainty and high interest rates. The winners in 2025 will be those who learn how to blend both worlds: traditional investments for stability, and tech-driven opportunities for growth. Chapter 2: AI in Tech-Driven Stocks. Artificial intelligence is no longer a buzzword, it's the backbone of modern industry. In 2025, companies that build or use AI effectively are outperforming others by miles. Giants like Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon are leading this charge, but smaller startups focused on automation, robotics, and machine learning are also growing fast. Instead of betting on a single company, investors are turning to AI-focused exchange-traded funds (ETFs) that group these businesses together for safer exposure. The difference between 2023 and 2025 is simple: the world has moved from AI experiments to AI implementation. That's why tech and AI-focused investments will continue to dominate for years to come. Chapter 3: ETFs and Index Funds. For anyone who doesn't want to pick individual stocks, ETFs and index funds remain the smartest and simplest way to invest in 2025. These funds track large groups of companies, offering instant diversification and long-term stability. The S&P 500 Index Fund, for example, gives you exposure to 500 of the biggest companies in the US, while thematic ETFs allow you to focus on growing sectors like green energy, technology, or AI. ETFs are ideal for investors who want consistent growth without spending hours analyzing individual stocks. The golden rule of 2025 remains the same as ever: it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Chapter 4: Real Estate and REITs. Real estate continues to be one of the oldest and most reliable ways to build wealth, but it's evolving too. With rising interest rates making it harder to buy property, many investors are turning to real estate investment trusts, or REITs, to gain real estate exposure without owning physical property. REITs are traded like stocks and often pay attractive dividends. The smartest picks in 2025 are those linked to data centers, logistics, and healthcare, sectors that continue to grow with technology and population trends. Real estate may not deliver explosive short-term gains, but it remains one of the most stable long-term investments available. Chapter 5: Crypto and Blockchain Assets. Crypto has matured dramatically since the chaos of its early years. In 2025, it's no longer just speculation, it's part of a structured, evolving financial ecosystem. Governments are enforcing regulations, investors are more cautious, and blockchain projects are becoming more transparent. Bitcoin and Ethereum remain the dominant players, but opportunities are growing in tokenized assets, stablecoins, and AI-integrated blockchains. The secret with crypto in 2025 is balance: treat it as a small but meaningful part of your portfolio. A 5 to 10% allocation is enough to give you exposure to long-term gains while managing your risk. The days of gambling on hype are gone, now it's all about strategic positioning. Chapter 6: Green Energy and Sustainability. If there's one sector guaranteed to keep growing, it's green energy. Governments, corporations, and consumers are all shifting toward clean, renewable solutions. Solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicles are no longer niche, they're becoming mainstream. Investors in 2025 are pouring money into renewable energy ETFs and electric vehicle manufacturers like Tesla, BYD, and Rivian. Sustainability isn't just good for the planet, it's good business. The global renewable energy market is projected to double by 2030, and the investors who ride this wave now could see major returns in the coming years. Chapter 7: AI Startups and Innovation Funds. For investors who like higher risk with higher potential rewards, 2025 is the year of AI startups and innovation funds. New platforms allow regular investors to buy into early-stage companies that could become the next giants of tech. Artificial intelligence is being applied in every field: healthcare, logistics, education, finance, and even agriculture. Innovation funds like ARK Invest specialize in spotting these early disruptors. It's risky, yes, but a well-diversified startup portfolio can yield massive returns if even one company succeeds. In 2025, the edge belongs to those who can identify innovation early and invest wisely. Chapter 8: High-Yield Savings and Bonds. Not every investment has to be aggressive. In a volatile world, smart investors protect part of their portfolio with low-risk options like high-yield savings accounts and government bonds. Thanks to elevated interest rates, these conservative investments are finally paying off again. Earning 4 to 5% annually with virtually no risk might sound boring, but stability is essential when markets get unpredictable. These options provide a financial cushion, letting you invest more confidently in higher risk areas. In 2025, balancing risk and safety is key to long-term success. Chapter 9: Alternative Investments. Beyond traditional markets, 2025 offers a world of alternative investment opportunities. Gold and silver remain safe havens, but modern investors are looking at digital collectibles, online income streams, and even personal brand building. Creating digital products, investing in yourself, or starting a side hustle is one of the best investments you can make. The wealthiest people in the world have multiple income streams, not just one. In this era, alternative investing isn't just about money, it's about creating value, owning digital assets, and building independence. Conclusion. So, what's the best investment in 2025? The truth is, there isn't a single answer. The best investment is the one that aligns with your goals, your risk tolerance, and your vision for the future. But one thing is certain: the future belongs to investors who adapt early. Artificial intelligence, digital assets, green energy, and innovation are rewriting the rules of wealth creation. Don't chase hype, build strategy. Stay consistent, stay educated, and invest in what you understand. And remember, the greatest investment you'll ever make is in yourself. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Hustle Wallet, making money simple for everyone.